loyalty, can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you ain't get go. Got me acting crazy, baby, I'm not losing. Only good my man, baby. Peaceful, I'll be here for you. Can't stop this feeling, my heart is feeling. Pasar en jet. No me importa nada cuando estás en mi mirada. Los minutos pasan y las reglas se traspasan. Es una locura, pero vale la aventura. Midnight es my school y el momento es perfecto. Every night at 12, we break every law. Babe, I know she coming back for more. Every night at 12, breaking all combos. Fading but chasing, but she ain't get both. Jumping in the hazy, baby, I'm not lazy. Only good like in me. Just right. You punch, I got a big tune. I compare how they live for you. Think about that day when my heart is bad. This hand and jet. Just sitting. Breaking rules, losing control. Can't stop now, won't let you go. 매일 밤이 우리 천국. Fuck the world, this is our show. Every night at 12. Every night at 12. 매일 밤 불씨. Breaking all the rules. Every night at 12. The rules. 하지만 벌써 끝이내게 go. Can't stop, won't stop, baby, this is true. Living on me, in the forever. Living like at 12. Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see, try to keep me down, but why? Every time you push me back, so don't ever my sweat.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Slow it down, still I'm burning. Feel the heat inside me turning.
Okay, we're getting our screens open. They're coming online slowly, warming up. Looking good, looking good. Like the content, leave a comment, hit the like. Had to take care of my cat. My cat is a cookie addict. If he doesn't get his morning cookies, actually if he doesn't get a constant stream of treats, he bites me. What do I want to do? I want to turn the heat on. I'm cold. Let's see if I can get someone to do that for me. Hey. That's fun. Okay, so let's just take a quick look. Let's just jump right into it. Oh, we're not jumping right into it. We got to connect. Let's just jump right into it. Starting off with daily volume. Wow, look what I see. 833,000, guys. If you remember what I tell you, 400,000 is a number to keep in mind in the morning. By 9:30-ish. Not really relevant, you know, doesn't have to be to the, hold on. I don't even know why this isn't working. Doesn't have to be to the contract, just to give you a general idea. One, two, three, camera should be on. There we go. We can minimize Discord because that's how we use the camera. There's got to be an easier way than that. I find it hard to believe. Yeah, so what was I saying? 800,000. That's high in volume. The rule of thumb, or the level that I usually keep in mind, is 400,000. And we're way over 400,000 right now. $800,000, so that's good. ATR 13.25, impressive also for the morning. A dead morning, 3-4 points on the ATR. A decent morning, 7, 8. So yeah, there's some volatility in the markets. Let's see if it continues throughout the day. I was hoping last night, I was saying to myself that I hope today will be another good day with continuation. Let's see. So far, the signs are pointing to a good day. Settings, let's make this 12. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what we've been doing. First, I just want to check the Asia session. Asian session. We had a little bit of a dump there, eh? 300 points almost, maybe even more. So we took out the low of the Asia session, but we didn't take out the high. Got between VWAP, previous day's close. Hold on a minute. My mic even on? I don't even know. Don't run away, Dave. My mic is on. Yeah, swept the Asia lows, but not the Asia highs. Traded between VWAP, previous day's close. Now we're right about in the mid-range of the London session. London session is the blue box. We're right on previous day's low. And obviously this is the 30-minute chart. It's not marked. It should be marked. We're putting in sequences of lower highs. Obviously break and swing lows. So the trend is down right now for the 30-minute. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. We can put that in. That looks like a good little reference point. Not that I use trend lines, but that looks like a good reference point. We'll keep in mind. What about the daily? Well, the daily, the big news on the daily. If you weren't here yesterday, we closed yesterday. I'm talking yesterday night. We closed below the 50-period moving average. So that's not so good. It could be a sign of things to come. I'm actually yep, definitely. Definitely. With the close below the main like that, the daily, a strong close below this swing low, putting in a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap right here. Another run at this swing low with another bearish fair value gap. Filling all these bullish fair value gaps. We may be headed lower. We may be headed lower. I'm taking a look at this, absorbing the information. This is the daily chart. Again, I don't know why it's not marked. It should be marked. It should be marked. Let me just put in the notes here. Remove 925, one string, MNQ. Now we're getting a bit of a move. It looks like now I'm seeing from with my peripheral vision. Wow. That's good. Don't want it to be too big, but let's make it 26. Okay. If we remove the game, there we go. MNQ daily chart. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, what's next? Nothing. What's next? Next is to get ready for trading. As I said, Asia session reference points, nothing really to remark. We're below VWAP. We're below previous day's low. If you look at the 30-minute, for the last day and a half, we've been trading down. The bias is bearish. That's all I'm saying. Let's get ready to do some good scalping and make some money.
Good morning.
Good morning. In case you missed what I said, in 2 sentences or less, 30 minutes, taking out swing lows, bearish for the last, I don't know, day and a half. And
I haven't had a chance to look at anything or hear anything or do anything.
Yeah. But the big news of the day is the daily got below the 50-period moving average. We bounced
Internet
off.
error. I thought I was on the internet.
We bounced off the...
I got to be on the internet. I'm talking to you.
No, internet error.
Internet error, but no internet error? See me, right? Okay. Whatever. Let's try and look at what news we got, but apparently I don't have no internet.
Mm.
But I see me, I see you.
Hey. Don't argue. They tell you no internet? It's no internet, okay? You're always so difficult.
Do have a house guest today, so might
Okay.
get interrupted. I don't know.
928.
Got a little minion running around here somewhere.
A little minion. Wow, 17.9 on the 17.9 on the ATR in the 1 minute pre-open. That's pretty impressive. Guys, type in ! giveaway game. Today is the qualifiers for Friday's final.
Who we got so far? Skeletor, good morning. JC, good morning.
Every day I run 3 qualifiers. The winners of the 3 qualifiers are in the finals on Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 qualifiers. Winners, those 12 winners are in Friday's final for the account, for the giveaway game, the finale, the final for the account.
Futures floor, Kanata Mike, good morning.
Kanata Mike, yeah, that's what you call me. I was trying to remember what it was.
That was the wife's ideal. I was going with Canadian Mike. She said just go Kanata Mike.
I like the Kanata. Well, I'm going to regret it, so I'm only going to do it for a 1 lot. I'm going to sell one. Oh,
we're back down to this same support area. Did you notice that?
No, but I noticed that the short trade that I entered got stopped out. So
this is the area that we've been spiking off of real hard. We get down into this area. It's a big area because it's been different spots each time, but between pretty much here and the 400, we've been getting these large spikes up.
Yeah, I see.
Look at on the hourly chart.
Mm-hmm.
The past 2 times have been from this area here. So have to see how it plays out. I'm starting to lose my faith in a green November.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe me too.
If we break this support right here, it could just be down from there.
Yep.
Then we're in that range. We would assume we go to the other side of the range, which would put us down at about 23,100. Market open. I'm late. Been open for a minute.
Markets are open. I'm doing a little bit of scalping.
Got to keep up with my my stuff because I got two different bots running. The newer one, so you got to check out what kind of errors and stuff that gets while still running the old one. Seeing what kind of errors that gets.
Ooh, that little move up.
What happened? I'm not even going to begin to understand what happened there. Good times, man. I don't know.
I was going to say, are you getting a short?
I don't know. I think I got a long, but then
order filled.
That's what it did, but it took a long, and then it self-destructed. And then immediately went to the stop loss.
For me, it looked like it would have been a short.
I was like, am I short? I hope I'm short. But it was long.
Wow.
My charts ain't even right. What's going on here?
Those are some moves.
My Ninja Trader can't even do it. What happened?
I don't know. The markets are doing some weird shit. Strong move up, stronger move down, man. And an even stronger move higher.
My Ninja Trader won't even display it. I'm still on the down candle.
Oh, didn't do a sound check. No kidding, eh?
I don't know what's going on. Cancel all orders. Take your hands off the mouse.
Pretty much,
Back the fuck up. Pause everything.
So funny how you get it sometimes and I get it sometimes. It's like we're on different servers.
I'm like 2 minutes behind on my chart. I'm just now breaking the high. that we broke several minutes ago.
We almost swept the pre-market lows.
I'm still in the 700s.
And we shot right up to the pre-market highs. I forgot about that trade, but
I don't know what's going on there. I don't want no part of it. Hey, I just want to point out that somebody a few minutes ago was saying that we spiked from this area.
Yeah. A few moments ago. Somebody that I used to know.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to my trade. I don't know what happened to anything.
Wow. This is some crazy market action, eh? 48. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the current ATR on the 1 minute chart. 48 points, average range.
Look at this. I'm still in the 800s. My trading view is in the low 7s. Where are you at?
740. 740.
What are you on?
I got Ninja Trader and Project X open. Both of them working.
Really? Why is my Ninja Trader like way behind? Way, way, way behind. Guys, check your charts. Just saying. Yeah, I couldn't trade if I wanted to, man. I almost want to take a sim trade, see where it puts the trade at.
Yeah, very tough to trade right now.
Do a one lot sim. So it puts the trade where I'm at, not where the market's at.
No kidding, eh? That's odd. That it puts it where you're at. Usually it puts it where the market's at.
Yes,
and it's running at a sync like that. That is very odd.
Bad part is I know the future and I'm still losing the trade.
That is hard to do. Remember
Not
you used
really.
to say that? You can tell people the close and most of them will still lose money.
What can you do, man? Funny thing is, it keeps hitting my my stop loss is too close.
Mm. Yeah, well, the spread right now is a point, eh? 3/4 and a point. That's a large.
I want to brag, but I know the future and I still lose. And I got to break even. It keeps trying to do the break even. I'm like, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Wow.
We know where we're going. Just calm down. Be cool. Yeah, I can't do anything. I'm not even like slightly behind. I'm like a minute behind.
Mm.
And it's not because my minutes are odd. Don't even look at me like that.
I'm not. Wow.
You really trading this?
Yep.
Braver than I am.
Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, it's a little tough trading because of the spread and the speed of the moves. Let's get a reference point here again. Let's squeeze in the 5-minute chart. We are kind of on VWAP, but trading above previous day's low. So we kind of compressed into the previous day's low, consolidated there. And we're still kind of being magnetized to it, hanging around it. 732 is previous day's low. We're currently trading at well, it moves fast, but we're right at 742 now. 10 points above previous day's low. Pushing lower. Wow, it's very fast, the price action. It's impossible to get your price. You see it, it flashes for a second.
Okay, where are we at now? I think I'm still behind.
Kind of thinking I'm behind too. Ah, you're so fast. Jesus Christ.
At least 10 seconds, probably more like 15 seconds behind still. So what's going on today?
I have no idea, but I do know that when I came in, checked in the morning, the volume was 800,000, and my rule of thumb, or the level I usually look at, is 400,000. So, given that the
all I
volume
see
was
for
higher,
news is U.S. factory orders. I mean, that's not doing this. That's 10 o'clock. We ain't even got there yet.
Yeah, I don't know. It could just be it's time for some selling.
I feel like something's going on. Hong Kong man jailed for 7 years for killing 3-month-old baby. Wife also abused baby. You telling me you can kill a baby and only get 7 years in jail?
Yeah, crazy, eh?
One of our kids points his finger and goes pow with a play gun with his fingers, and they want to give him 20 years. Man, society is screwed. I teach my kid to be a hard go up in the mountains. We're just gonna have to skip a few generations or something. chair cracking everywhere, man. You hear that?
Yep. If you take a look on my chart, you see how we just wicked out the
bottom.
That's the pre-market range there.
I don't know if I need to like reset my chart, restart Ninja Trader, or just give up any hope of trading today.
944.
Used to have a chart lag indicator.
We're still at an ATR of 46. That means the average 1 minute candle is 46 points.
Is that bad?
That is very, very high.
He's like, is that bad? Is that bad?
I don't know if it's bad, but it's very high. It means tread carefully.
Yeah.
And there's the push off the pre-market lows. Strong push. I think I'm going to take a break and go get a sweater because I am almost shivering. Give me a second. It is that cold.
Yeah, I'm kind of cold too. There's 63 here.
Oh, in the meantime, I'm not turning on my camera and I don't hear you, but why don't you close down Ninja, clear out the cache and restart it? Don't answer me because I won't hear you, but just a suggestion.
Funny thing is the lag indicator says it's not even lagging. Skeletor, how's your trading going today? You trading this nonsense? No. Yeah. I don't know. It says my chart's back in sync. Then it goes out. It comes back. No trade for me yet. Kind of took one with the bot, but then I didn't. I don't even know how to explain it. It took the trade and canceled the trade and lost the trade all at the same time. I don't even know. But it took took the same trade in separate accounts. And one account lost $1 and the other account lost like 300. I don't even know how any of that's possible. That tells me just step away. Like, I guess that was like a warning. You know, a dog like barks at you, starts growling, like it's giving you a warning, like just back away. Those seem to be more in sync now. Maybe the chaos is slowing a little bit. Mhm. Fun times, man. Fun times.
Oh, my alarm is ringing. We got our first customer for the giveaway game, Skeletor. Turn on camera. I know it
Looks like
sounds
they're still set on going down.
yeah, I was gonna say, I know it sounds cliche, but it seems like we're having a little bit of an epic battle here between buyers and sellers, eh? What I mean by an epic battle, it's like, they're a big strong wave one way and then a big strong wave the next way.
Yeah.
It's going back and forth. It's like a tug of war, where one side gets clearly stronger and kind of tires out, and the next side takes over.
I was saying a minute ago, I took that bot trade earlier, and it took the trade, self-destructed the trade, and lost the trade all at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know how any of that's possible.
It is possible when the ATR is 50.
I took it in different accounts, but the one account self-destructed it, lost $1. The other accounts that didn't self-destruct hit the stop loss as soon as it entered, lost $300. And they're the same trade.
No trade.
I don't know. I don't know nothing about any of that. It's above my pay grade.
Mm.
The good news is the account that lost the $1 was the more important account.
Oh, you got music playing on your stream.
Don't I always have music playing?
I don't know. I usually just have the volume up. Wow, another strong move. I'm going to be tempted.
Pretty sure we've always had music.
Yeah.
Sometimes
79.
sometimes I feel like they add new songs to my
What a
playlist.
bad entry. Well, I don't recognize the one that's playing right now. I can tell you, but it sounds like revival music, and it's lifting my spirits.
Let's check it out. I'm gonna listen to it.
I like it, but now I just turned it off. Music for me is distracting.
I've heard that one before.
Mm.
You need better music.
No, what it does is it takes the few neurons that are left in my brain and diverts them towards the music. And I have a hard time thinking. Focusing, running numbers. Didn't even check my camera.
I can't focus without the music.
I used to be like that, actually.
I would let you listen to some of my music, but I'm not allowed to.
Skeletor, I have good news for you. If no one else signs up, you're guaranteed a win. That's how it works. We're going to run it anyways. 91. What am I short at? 91.
Yeah, yesterday I
Yeah, they
ran the
get
game
good
one
credit.
time and it hit jackpot.
That's funny.
I was like,
That's
what did he
funny.
say the odds were?
I don't remember. Less than 1%. But again, like I said, it all depends on how many. Maybe you ran it with one player, because all it does is check if all players. So if you ran it with one player and the one player hits inside the
No,
stop loss, that's all players.
I had 13 players.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you go buy a lotto ticket
No.
after that?
The girl was so excited she finally won on your stream.
Yeah.
She kept yelling at me, Dad, take a picture so I can show my brother. She take a picture. And I was like, hold on.
I left
What
it
are you
there.
even? I was like, what are you even trying to take a picture of? And she's like, look, I won. I want to show him. I'm like,
Yeah.
fine. So I jump up, I grab my phone, I go to take a picture, and as soon as I do, you take it away.
No way. But you can just go to the stream. It's easy. It's an easy fix.
I was like, all right, I'm getting it. Calm down. I get all the way to the camera on the phone, right? And then you like restarted it. I'm like, oh, what the?
It's an easy fix.
She's like, Dad, I told you to be faster. Like, calm down. Just tell him you won. I'll be a witness.
You go on my stream, you find it, you take a picture, you make her day.
Probably.
Or I'll find it. I'll take a screenshot and send it to you. It was near the end anyway. It's easy to find.
So do we just close our eyes and blindly short, or what?
I don't know.
What's the play here?
I don't know.
I can't even do that. Hell, by the time I get half of a signal, it's freaking 30 points away.
Yeah.
How are y'all trading this?
We're holding our breath.
Guess you just, like, no hope of a stop loss. You just gotta.
Well, I'm marketing out, to be honest with you, when I take a loss. Usually I go buy the bid or sell the ask, but I'm not taking a chance because the runs are swift. I'm not risking an extra 2 or 3 points just in case it starts to move with against me in this kind of volatility. It could move 40 points, so it's not worth it for an extra to try and tick in for a little bit better.
Apparently, my exclamation mark was a 1.
Mm.
Does that matter? I gotta redo
That's
it.
today. It's day 2.
How difficult this is?
You're in already. Giveaway game. There you go.
Let me go find this kid running around my house. Make sure I'm not getting in trouble.
That's funny.
Might be doing backflips off the dresser or something. You never know with these kids nowadays. They do shit and you're just like, what the hell are you doing?
Well, while we have a moment of waiting for our next setup, 9:59. That's 1 minute before 10 o'clock. I just like to be aware of that. Don't forget, guys, just type in ! giveaway game qualifiers today for the finals on Friday morning. I'd love to run 3 qualifiers today so we can get 3 players into the finals for the account on Friday. Nice move lower there from 580. You know what? I'm going to... Really? Keeps going lower and lower, eh? Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Let's get a little bird's eye view again. Tighten up the chart. Did I not add more data? I could have sworn I did. Let's do it again. Data series. 23 days. I don't know. Computers sometimes have a hard time remembering. Yeah. See, yesterday I was looking at this level right here. This level right here, saying we kind of have a relative equal low. Now we had a kind of relative equal low over here, and we just broke them all. We just took them all out. And again, as a reminder, oh, look at that. We did break the trend line. We wicked it. That's interesting. As a reminder, on the daily, we're closed now below the 50. That's the white line. And if this candle closes similar to the way it is now, we're going to have a full candle below the 50-period moving average. Not taking a lot out of my trades. You know what I think I should do? I think I should scale out. Two is enough for this kind of volatility. Good morning, Joker. Enter you in the giveaway qualifiers for Friday's giveaway game. Sure, why not? We'll put you in. You don't even have to type. Let's get you in. I need 8 players. JOKOUR. Dangerous trading this morning. ATR 40 points. Yeah, good. Yeah, good man. Save and apply. Really? Oh, yeah. I am wondering, you've been predicting a dump in the markets for, and I'm wondering if now is when we're going to get it. I don't know if you were here when I'm saying we broke below the 50.
Me? No, I didn't hear it.
No, Joker. It's looking pretty, it's looking potentially, I won't say pretty ominous. It's not looking ominous yet. It's looking potentially ominous.
I mean, we are counted to this bottom of this support. So
yeah, now we're just about touching the 100.
if they're going to break through, what they going to do?
Well, I mean, any level can hold looking at the daily. We got quite a few levels. You know,
Yeah.
we can trade down. We can trade down to 24,200 about, and that can hold. We can trade down to the 23,300, 23,100 area, and that can hold. That would be the 200 period EMA.
If we're getting back into this,
levels.
we have another range below us.
Mm.
If we're getting back into that range, then we can expect it to go to the other side. for going back into that range and holding it. This is really our kind of last support for this range. And if we're breaking below, we go a bit lower, then we're breaking into that other range. Did have some TQQQ. I might have to go sell those.
The selling looks aggressive though today. And as a reminder, we are at 1.2 million in volume right now. That is very high. That's probably double to triple.
Still think there was some kind of news or something. Somebody did something.
Maybe. That's a 2x or a 3x on the Arval. Oh, cheater. Thank you. Yeah, I remember what you were saying yesterday that they should be there for whatever for Friday's giveaway. I mean, so far I think I have. Oh no, except for one. There was one player I don't have access to on the Discord, but they should sign up on the Discord, and that way I could send out a reminder.
Yeah. We just bounce up like 80 points like it ain't nothing.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's not like it ain't nothing. That's what happens when you're in a 40-point ATR. Shit. I still remember the days we had 1, 2, or 3 days when the ATR on the 1 minute chart was 100 points. They were 100-point candles average, and it didn't last. It wasn't a spike. It wasn't like, oh, okay, you had 2 spikes and it made it do that. No. This was like for a good long time during the day.
Oh, Trump's first presidency was like that. Or he would tweet something and the market would move 300-400 points.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere.
Shit, I was long. I didn't profit from that one.
Then during the pandemic and stuff, 2020, just all over the place. We're over 100 points off the low in 2 candles.
Hmm. Woo. That was a move.
When you look back, this 32 Rango has been killing it, but when you're actually there, by the time you get the signal, it's already jumped 20 points. should be one of those hindsight traders and put out a video telling everybody how
Yeah.
easy the market is.
$53. Oh, that was sloppy. This one could catch me.
I told you. I said, don't do it. You wouldn't listen. Stock's at. Who's surviving
Yeah,
this
that one caught
chaos?
me.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Everybody
we're
talking
getting a
about
bump down
Bitcoin
straight.
crashing today. It's barely even down today.
Yeah, I know.
All those people crying about that, I would suggest you get your money out of Bitcoin, because if you can't handle that, you can't handle Bitcoin.
Let's break through 50.
Did sell some of my Google I picked up last night.
Okay.
Was up like 80%. Like, dang.
What?
Yeah. Just from not that long ago, I was telling you I was buying some more.
Okay. No, I misunderstood the statement. You said I was up 80% since last night.
No.
You sold it last night.
I sold some of it last night.
Last night, yeah.
Was up 80%. I was like, well, man, if it's up 80%, got to sell some of it. Selling all my Google and putting it in the Meta.
Come on, you were there. Film me. Well, I think I'll take a little break, let my nerves calm down. That was
I don't even know how you're trading this.
That was some fast executions. My nerves are a little frazzled. Besides that, I thought today would be a good idea to put caffeine in my coffee.
That's how you're trading it.
So I'm going to take it easy right now, take a break.
Would have been a good day to turn on my Hikanashi bot. I would have killed it today. I ain't used it in a while. I don't remember how to use it. See if I can find it. What do you think I would name a Hikanashi bot?
Kind of
Probably this one.
like,
It's probably this one that says Hikanashi strategy. Let's do it. Have some fun.
so how do you hold a trade for 15 seconds with MFFU over here if you're a scalper? There's no way.
Oh, God.
There's no way. I mean, you know what'll happen? You'll hit TP. You'll hit your stop loss. Like, I'm assuming you have, these are all mental levels. You'll go to your TP, you'll go to your stop loss, you'll go to your TP, and then you might take off and say, okay. But it'll be like 3 trades in one.
What is submitted? What the hell are you doing?
I'm afraid to look how long my trades are. I don't think some of them are making it past 15 milliseconds.
I told you I had that one. It took the order, canceled the order, and lost it. Took the trade, canceled the trade, and lost the trade all at the same time.
Yeah.
I'd have to call them and say, look, if my trade's under 1 second, it don't count, right? Okay.
Well, it's clear and obvious. You don't have to be a genius. If I was running a prop firm and someone came in shrugging his shoulders and huffing and puffing, I would say, hey, genius, don't trade. Wait till the volatility comes down. Wait till we get back to an ATR of under 20, and your trades will be 15 seconds. You know why we have that rule? To keep you guys safe. It's not safe conditions now. Now everyone's driving on the Autobahn at 350 miles an hour. I want you off the road. And that's how you...
I don't think this is the right hike and ash you bought. It's trading every candle.
I gotta say though, the coffee with regular coffee, not decaffeinated, is good. I treat myself to it once in a while, but I might pay the price later. But it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Come on, let's see a nice rundown. Wow.
I don't know. This one obviously isn't the right one.
Joker, you still there? I got a question for you. I'm curious if you are still there. Do you ever take one of your PAs or one of your sim funded accounts and say, you know what, I'm gonna dedicate this one to trading more aggressively when the conditions are ripe? You know, take 3% of your portfolio of sim fundeds or 5% of it and say, let's trade these more aggressively. Or do we go with what Omnius says? Bad habits are bad habits and you should never do them. Because once you do it for 3%, then you're going to want to do it for 30% of your portfolio of accounts, and then 50, and then all, and then, well, snakes and ladders, you're back at the beginning of the board.
Well, I mean, if you're going into it thinking that, like, if you're wanting to YOLO news or something, then that's something you're doing one time and you know you're doing it.
Yeah, no, I'm not thinking YOLO news. I'm thinking you guys say YOLO. That's, for me, that's one trade. I'm just thinking on a day like today, trading more aggressively, trading 10 lots on one account. Problem is, every time it's like such a sickening disease. Every time I do that, I break away from my system. I just start taking impulsive entries. I don't get it. I got to force myself one time to do it properly. And see how I do. I mean, I'm so curious because I'm doing so well today. It's like nuts. If I were to film this, you guys would say, oh my God, how do you do that? But I'm doing it at 1 lots and 2 lots. Mostly. Sparky, I gave you like a ton of cookies. Leave me alone, man. Anybody want a cat?
No.
Anybody want a cat? I'm going to give you away. Yeah, I'm going to give you away. You're going to have a new owner and you can bother them all day long. What? You want to know how much it would cost to go by UPS all the way to Florida? I don't know. Josh will find out.
My daughter's been begging for a cat forever.
We have a great one, and it comes with 2 containers of free cookies. Wow, that was insane. Okay.
Wanted to try out my hiking ash bot, but I don't know what it's doing. This obviously ain't the right one or something.
Today would be a good day for a morning beer.
Morning beer?
Morning beer, yeah. I'm stressed today.
Why?
I don't know. I'm an idiot. Why? I just said why before. The caffeine.
Oh.
I was just saying, I'm feeling at edge, you know, anxious. Jesus, don't even have to ask. Oh boy, and then I want to go get another coffee? Seriously? Wow. Wow. What crazy runs. What crazy runs. They look nothing on the 1 minute chart though, eh? They look so insignificant on the 1 minute chart. Because it's always relative, you know, the size of the bars. If the ATR was 2, the chart would look the same. If the ATR is 50, the chart looks the same.
Yeah, she said size don't matter.
Yeah. But it always looks the same. So I'm looking at the chart and I'm saying, there's nothing there. No, those candles are 50 points, 60 points. The bigger ones are probably 70 points. What did this candle? What's the low and the high of this candle right here? 2 candles ago. 490. 565. That's a 75 point candle. And that would be a pretty good indicator, eh? On a day like today.
Hey,
I'm thinking I would print a small little number, let's say, and maybe even in a separate pane underneath the size of the candles. Why'd you do that, Mike? You're going to throw money away. Get out. Take me out. I was supposed to get in on the bands. Yeah. Because I would like to see the size of these candles. I don't know how to do that. You know how to do that? How to create an indicator that goes in a separate pane in the opposite, in a different window down below.
Not sure I understand what you're saying.
Well, like MACD, it's not on the price. It's not like the moving average. It prints in a separate window underneath the price bars, you know?
You just
MACD,
tell it what
RSI, CCI. How do you get it to do it?
You just tell it where you want it to be, right?
I don't know. I've never done it, so I don't know where that is even.
You talking about indicator or strategy?
No, an indicator.
Well, the indicator, when you put it on your chart, you tell it where section you want it to be in?
No. I want to create one. Oh, you think it would just be standard like that? No, I think you have to do it when you code it. You have to tell it if it's going to be in a separate window. No.
Right here I have RSI, right? If I click on it, it's going to take me to the panel. And it's going to say, what panel do you want it to be in? I'm going to say 2. Right?
That's not the chart that's displaying right now if you were showing me. Anyways, I'll take a look. I believe you. I'll take a look. Let's see. Indicators. Oh, wait a minute. First, there's a difference. I don't create indicators. You can only create strategies in NinjaTrader. So it would have to be a strategy.
But I mean, you can only create strategy. You can create indicators.
You can create something that acts as an indicator, but you'll still load it from strategies.
No, you don't. What are you talking about?
In Strategy Builder, it's actually called Strategy Builder.
Well, most people don't go to Strategy Builder to create indicators.
Yeah, no, I do. I just do everything inside Strategy Builder.
Man, that caffeine really did something to you.
No, that's how I do it. I always do it inside Strategy Builder. Okay, Sparky. How can I resist? Where's the thing now? What did you do? If you would stop knocking it on the floor, maybe it would be a little bit better. Well, you must like these. They must put some kind of drug in there. Seriously, I've never seen him ask for treats like that so aggressively.
Wonder if we're going to run all the way back up again. So you're saying you just take one account and say, screw it, I'm just going to sacrifice this account to the volatility gods and just like go
just
all
trade
out?
it more aggressively. Instead of trading 1 lots, trade 8 lots or 9 lots. So instead of making 150, you'd make 1,000 or something.
Yeah, it never really works out for me.
It doesn't, because I don't stick to my rules. That's my problem. If I would stick to my rules, it would work out.
I think this would be a rather easy day if you could just pick a direction and hold. I guess you can't have no stop loss, so I would consider it pretty high risk. Gonna be a lot of blown accounts today.
Mm-hmm.
People like Apex are sitting there watching this and, man, we're gonna make some money.
He's buying his new car.
You know what? He's calling the dealership back saying, you know what? That add-on, look, I decided I do want to do that add-on. Give me those snakeskin seats.
Good morning, Adnan. Nice to see you.
Adnan, good morning. No, give me my butt.
I see you've entered. How you doing, guys? We're doing good. Doing good. Navigating this high volatility. You trading in this market? Or are you sitting on your hands doing the smart thing? We were just having a conversation on asking, is it a good decision to trade these markets more aggressively? Where's gold? Still over 4,000, eh? Oopalai, that's an error. I'm curious. I'm curious. I mean, it's hard even to take your entries at the right place. The markets move so fast. Wow, what was that? That was a heck of a vibration. That was like what an important message just came through. Priority number one. You guys hearing that? That is so funny. The thing is, I don't even have a notification. That's weird. No phone calls, no messages. Let's hold it in the hand and see. Okay. Let's get Adnan in the, let's put him on the official list of players. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save and apply. Let's add a couple more there. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Player 6. Player 7. And player 8. Save and apply. So we ran a poll yesterday. Let's do it again today. I'm still curious. Multiple entries into the There we go. So far, we had a vote of yes and a vote of no. I think it's fun for the same person to have like potential three entries or four entries if you happen to win on the qualifiers. Wow, moving lower again. Now with a little bit of speed. Volume 1.5 million. Don't take your eyes off the charts if you have a trade, especially if you're scalping. Come on, Mike. That's not even fair. Not even fair. Excuse me. Did that right in the mic. Looks like it wants to push lower. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Get a bird's eye view again. Well, are we going to take out the U.S. session lows? Both ES and NQ are approximately in the same place. We're seriously below pre-market levels, obviously below VWAP, and below yesterday's low. On high volume, that's the important thing to note. Wow, so fast the markets, it's crazy. No, the reaction time is not possible. Seriously? There is not the required reaction time. Spread is still under a point, though. I mean, it's wild. The action. We're at 48 points ATR. 48-point range on the 1-minute candles. No, that's it, buddy. No more cookies for you. You're all cookied out. Let's see where this run takes us up. That's it. Any of you guys seeing anything worth trading? I see a little band bounce trade here. If I can get a good price, and I'll sell market just for one over here with the buy market in case I get stopped out. The markets are just too fast. There we go. You see how fast it runs when you're wrong? It came right back. Okay, got some of it back. I don't know how much. I don't really know. Again, still microsecond trading here. It's crazy. Looks like it wants to go up again. Second entry port. Push. I got to get out. Let's get a green. Unbelievable. Let's see if we get a bounce here. I'm sure not. Yeah. I don't understand. I mean, I do understand. It's a dangerous day to trade today. What do we got for players? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Futures, Omnius, Skeletor, Joker, Adnan. We need 3 more. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's a quiet morning. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. We look like we're consolidating here a little bit at the bottom. Let's see if we break 79. It's probably going to shoot higher. It kind of looks like it's building up a little bit of strength. Wow. Trading in a little bit of a sideways action here, but yet, even with that sideways action, look at the ATR, it's still 43. That's almost an impossibility, but yet it is. Our eyes do not deceive us. Push. Lower. I already can smell what's going to happen. I smell it. Let's get out because I think we're going to push higher. Am I on live chat? Nope. Hey, that's interesting. Live chat. Let's break out of this area here, see what the markets want to do. We'll sit back. There we go. There's the push lower.
You still there?
Yep.
Golly. Keep telling these people to get out of my house. They don't want to leave.
We were consolidating in a tight range, or what looked like a tight range there on the 1 minute for quite a while. But
first thing I said was, I'm busy. I can't talk long. Okay. On and on.
How was your day?
On. Like, they don't ever want to stop by and like hang out and talk any other time, right? When you're busy, it's like on and on and on. Probably told them 5 times I was busy.
Yeah.
What you busy? What you doing? None of your fucking business what I'm doing. I'm busy. Got my damn house.
What are you doing?
It's always funny because people are like, oh, was the kid good? Did the kid bother you? Didn't distract you, did she? Like, the kid was great. Did the kid come in here one single time and disturb anything, right? Kid's like, here's some chips, here's some animal crackers. Watch TV, play your phone, leave me alone. Okay. Not one single issue.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Always the adults. And then the adults try to blame it on the kids. Like, no. The kid was fine. It was you. Then you got to start being rude and they get mad about it. You come to my house. I told you I was busy. I watched your damn kid for you. Just get the kid and leave. So how's your trading been going?
I
feel like I've been gone forever.
Yeah, you were gone for a while. Please. I don't know. I tried
At one point, I was like, well, fuck, let me text this guy and tell him that, I'm not coming back or something. Like, oh, well, we're leaving. Like, y'all said that 10 minutes ago. Come on. I still don't know if they left. They went outside, locked the door, and ran. Just kind of bouncing back and forth still, huh?
Mm-hmm. Let's get up to 07.
Not enough players for the game?
Not yet. I think we're only at 5.
Everybody's sleeping. Everybody woke up and saw this market and said, what the heck?
Yeah, day off.
Went back to bed. Good news is I found a bowl of animal crackers.
Yeah. I give up. Where
What are we giving up?
Trying to trade this volatility. I'm stubborn, though.
Yeah, it happens.
Well, I don't want to touch my PA accounts.
Mm-mm. Stay far away from that. Ew.
I got a Facebook message. Come is waiting for you. I swear to God, I'm not joking.
Come.
Come is waiting. It says come is waiting for you. I clicked on it, but it's
You're getting excited, weren't you?
Let's see if I can find it. Come. Now it's a guy. He went live 24 minutes ago, or is live right now.
I was about to say it's either probably some guy or some 500-pound hideous beast.
But
yeah, Facebook has live now.
Yeah, I just saw. Problem is, you can't manually trade this. It's too fast. The orders are like, it's like two separate things. You have your chart, which is being created. I don't get why that's like that in the futures. I never saw it ever in stocks where the bars on the charts didn't match the actual price in the markets. You know, you're clicking buy the bid and you see where your order is being entered, and it's like, you know, it's close to where the price is, but like it's not there. It's like, it's weird. It's I don't know. It's like they don't show you in the futures markets. Maybe there's just too many data points, so they don't give you all of them. I don't know really how it works. I can't make sense out of it. I know
what you're saying, because the spread's super tight in the futures market.
No, I know, but you know, you're seeing 15, 14, 14, 15, 15, 14 going fast, and you click buy the bid, and it's like you're at 16 or 17. What? You know, I didn't see it go anywhere away from 14, 15.
Yeah.
Let me take a quick look at
I suppose. Today is definitely a eval only or sim trading or something.
Yeah.
Stay whatever PAs or whatever you got or evals close to passing, just hide them in a closet. I found that out as soon as the bell opened. No,
smarter than me.
No.
Well, no, I said smarter than me. I thought you meant no trading at all. No, I didn't trade I traded my PAs in the morning. One of them only. Got up, but then I said, no, this is too dangerous. I went to evals, I think. Anyways, I lost either 2 or 3 of them. One, stupidly, DCAing, which I said, okay, Mike, stop doing that. And no, it's true. I only lost 2 of them. Yeah. The day traders one and one bull and ox. And then I said, let me try just for the fun. Let me try the high size. The problem is, I get my entry like at, you know, let's make it easy, 24,500. I click buy the bid and I'm filled at 24,510. So I'm not getting a better price. I just paid 10 points worse. Then the candle changes on me and I say, oh my God, you know, I just lost 30 points when I should have only lost 7.
Mm-hmm.
So I hung on to it. And of course, that was the move that oh my God. No. I'm staring right here. I lost Taurus too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You remember when he used to say that in Rain Man? You remember the movie Rain Man?
M-O-O-N.
M-O-N? Rain
Man.
Man.
He the one that kept saying M-O-O-N? Spells moon, or that was the other guy?
Oh, I don't know. No, Rain Man is Dustin Hoffman and Tom Cruise, and
I remember they his brother or whatever took him to play cards.
yeah, that was it.
It's funny, I click over on Ninja Trader, see what them guys are doing. One's long and one's short at the same spot.
Hey, hedging. You guys
Is
are
that
working it together.
It's that kind of market, isn't it? It could be long, it could be short. Who really knows what you're doing? We don't know. Just press the button somewhere.
That's so funny.
This ain't
Keeping a
even
man-
trading it. This is hoping and praying.
Keeping a man as happy is simple, but most wives are too selfish to even try.
Mm-hmm.
19 hours ago.
You on Facebook still?
Nope. I'm on YouTube.
I was looking at something on YouTube. I forget what I was looking for. That guy you like's live, but he ain't even trading. It's just his face
Oh, yeah. Who's that?
Why
The
not?
guy that I like?
with the ponytail on top of his head.
Ah, yeah. Big Mike. Isn't that who he is? Big Mike?
Yeah.
Mm.
Who the hell just wants to stare at your face for freaking an hour?
I don't know.
We got 200 people staring at his face for an hour. He ain't even got no chart, nothing. It's just his face. Why did I come here? Oh, I remember. Did my video ever stop processing?
No, I don't think so.
You said something about the video processing, man. That thing took forever. You jinxed us. All right, it's done processing.
Ah, that was a nice move up. I'm hot. Let's try again.
Oh, this one guy's live right now. Omnius Trades. You ever heard of that guy?
I have. Yep. Another guy with a ponytail.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
You're calling bullshit, huh?
First, the guy wears eyeliner too.
Really?
Pretty sure. Oh, men these days kind of fruity, ain't they?
Well, maybe he thinks it accents his eyes.
Maybe it accents the ponytail. I don't know. Look, the point wasn't the eyeliner or the ponytail on top of his head. The point was, who just wants to stare at your face for an hour?
Yeah. Well, isn't he talking?
Probably. I mean, that's why I'm assuming people are staring at his face.
He's got to be talking. Some good moves. Tabernacle.
Maybe that's what you need to do. Just don't put anything else. Just put your face.
What's the name of his channel? It's got the word options in it, no?
Something like that. I don't know.
Always say, you never give me an answer. You're on it. Take a look.
No, I don't want to. Somebody told me to stop saying other people's names on stream.
Let me tell. I'll find it myself. Damn, it's cold down here.
Why are you so worried about finding some guys all prettied up?
No, I want to see what he's doing. I want to see if he's showing. You leave me alone. I want to see if he's showing charts.
Oh, he's got eyeliner and a ponytail and maybe a little bit of
Quick,
makeup. No, let me find him.
Give me the
Listen.
name.
JC, you there?
There's futures trading with Mike.
Start trading on Webull Canada with zero commission stock trading.
That was weird. That's like it got picked up, the audio. Yeah, so I'm not going to put it.
Was you able to get that video processed?
I didn't look. In the end.
Have you tried to monetize your channel yet?
No, I didn't look into that either.
I would look into that. I think once you get monetized, they push your channel a lot more.
Mm.
What you doing? You hiding?
No.
Got excited about some guy named Mike wearing eyeliner.
No, I didn't find it yet. Oh, no, because you know what happens? Hold on. Maybe if I close game down. I'm doing a window capture and it picked up the audio. Let me try again. You know, first let me go to one of my videos just to see.
I was noticing yesterday, I was watching my video and then watched some of yours. I like the way yours is set up. I got to set up something like that. But I noticed that my mic sounds better on your stream and your mic sounds better on my stream. It's almost like it runs through Discord and makes the voice better.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's processed. The afternoon stream, I see it.
Was consolidating, pushed down, got all the sellers in, trapped all the sellers. Now to the moon.
Hmm. Or just a little bit of a retrace.
Go up 400 points.
I don't know. I mean, if you look at it on the 30-minute chart, it really doesn't look like anything. Yeah, I mean, there is a spike in the ground, but
Looking at it on the 15, I see the consolidation. I see the manipulation.
Looks like a strong candle right now, but there's 20 minutes left in this candle. In 20 minutes, this candle on the 30-minute can close at the low.
Yeah, there's only 5 minutes in the 15. Where's Joker at? Ask him.
I asked him a question before. He didn't answer, so I guess he's checked out.
Doing other stuff. Maybe that's why the day stream's so hard. Everybody's at work and doing other things.
That's a theory. I could buy into that, definitely.
Wonder if all those channels with like 3,000 people are just bot accounts.
No. They've built up their, I wouldn't believe that.
I would.
Okay, what do I got to do? First off, save my workspace, because it got deleted last time. Second off, save it as a backup.
I see some of the bigger channels and they ain't got like 300, and you see some of the smaller ones with like 2,000.
Oh, sorry about that, guys.
Teach My Trading's got 20. You go say hi to her. Lalith, good morning. I've tried trading blue 2 accounts till now, like $80. Sweet. Got the gambler's mindset. Yeah. Sometimes it's hard to get out of that gambler's mindset, but just got to build steady habits. Find out what you want to do with trading. Build those steady habits. Find your strategy. Find out whether you like scalping or longer trades or ICT, or what do you like, volume profile. This day here, it's a hard day of trading here because it's just so volatile. So if you made $80 today, I mean, a good job. What are you trading? MNQ? It's hard sometimes when you're in that gambler's mindset to get out of it. I generally look to take a few trades a day. If I'm taking more than that, then I feel like I'm not in the right mindset to be trading. I would suggest having like an extra eval, kind of like a delinquent eval. And if you feel yourself in a gambler's mindset or something, just switch over to that.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about before.
Can't really overcome. I took like 15 to 20 trades a day. I mean, depending on the strategy, it's not really that bad. Mike, how many trades you've taken today?
More than 15 or 20. but it's not a good day.
Why are you hiding again?
I'm testing something.
Oh, okay.
Give me a sec.
Yeah, if you have like a scalping strategy, or
Yeah, he's back.
some people even do micro scalping. But if you have a scalping strategy, it's not that bad. I would say just try to try to find your best setups. Like, let's say you're taking 20 a day. That's all your setups. Then say, okay, well, if that's the A, B, C setups, let's just take the C setups out. What's the A and B setups? Can we knock the 20 trades down to 10 to 15? If we could take out just some of the setups that have more losses, then you can improve your strategy. What kind of trading you doing? You doing like scalping? Lose money though, it's kind of same mistakes. That gambler mindset. Slide into the hope mindset after 3 stop loss. Well, I like keeping my losses small. I don't know what your stop loss is, but mine are generally about 15 points or so. And if I'm getting 2, 3, 4 of those in a row, then I don't really want to trade anymore. A lot of times I'll start lowering contract size, do micro scalping. So what, like 5 points? Or less than that? I know some people go for like 9 ticks or so. Was it like 2 points?
Yeah, it's no good. That's just too difficult.
I mean, people do it.
Mm-hmm.
Alpine Trader, he trades like that.
Yeah. I'm surprised
2 to
that they
4
allow
points.
them.
We had that big thing with Apex before us.
Yeah.
Kind of what got into all that.
Yeah, I remember that story.
But yeah, he used to. I don't know if he still does. I haven't watched the channel in a while, but he used to do really good at it. 2 to 4 points. Yeah, the problem. I'm not gonna say it's a bad strategy. I know I've seen a few people do really well at it, but the problem is you do so much to get those 2 to 4 points, but then you take one loss and you just wiped out 2 days worth of trading. But then again, there's certain strategies that you can do well 2 to 4 points. I know a lot of people do the open strategy. I don't know if you do that one. Where like right here you would. So this is the candle right before the open. Am I on the right chart? Yeah. This would be a candle right before the open. Then you'd place a buy order above it, sell order below. Go for like 2, 3, 4 points. I don't know if you do something like that. Or if you're doing the open range strategy. Where would that be? Right there. Set your open range and then look for it to break above or below. Take you 4 or 5 points. Or another one would be the retest. You wait for the break there, take the retest, push back up, retest, take it there, 4 or 5 points. A lot of good scalping strategies you can do like that. It works. The issue is mindset control. I need 5 wins to cover 1 loss. Yes, I know the struggles. But you also can't think of it as you need 5 wins to cover 1 loss. You take a loss and then you take a win, right? You just had a win. Good thing about strategies like that is when you have you have a low win rate strategy, you lose a few times in a row, you really kind of get discouraged.
Hmm.
And really, our minds just need like a decent win to get back into a positive mindset. With scalping strategies like that, you could take a loss, and yes, it might take 5 wins to get back the loss, but really you get that win in and you start getting back into the positive mindset. So a lot of people don't like scalping strategies like that. I like them. I trade them sometimes. I actually have a bot that trades in the morning time, trades like that. But I don't know. Whatever strategy's working.
Oh, oh.
I would say if you feel like you're taking too many trades, then look for those better setups. Like I said, like the open range retest or the open range break, the open candle trade. I know a lot of scalpers like. Some people do the 5-minute inside bar. See if we see any of those. So here's one right here. So the bar is inside the previous candle, in case you don't know. And then you would take the break of that candle, called the inside bar. So you'd set the high, the low. And as it's breaking down, you would take it for about 5 points. Typically, people like strategies like that with the scalping.
I'm going to interrupt you for just a second. Is this the guy you were talking about? Take a look at my stream. Or you were talking about Ross Cameron?
No, that guy, yeah.
That guy, yeah. He's live now. I don't show him as live. He doesn't even have a live, he doesn't even have a live tab.
You know, sometimes people go live and then they end the stream.
Yeah, but then you have a live tab. Like in this thing, I have home, video, shorts, playlists, and posts. There isn't even a live.
Yeah, he was live a few minutes ago. I don't know if he's still live.
Videos. If I go under videos, 2 days ago. I don't know. Maybe he's got another channel. I thought you were talking about Ross Cameron. You know Ross Cameron?
Yeah, I didn't even know he was still around, though.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about Ross Cameron.
Yeah, I don't see that guy.
Because he also has a ponytail.
Snap, I don't even see him now. Probably done got off.
Mm.
I have FOMO thing. Trade 5-minute bar, 1-minute bar. Just made me stress crazy. Yeah. I normally trade the 2-minute. I like that. 2-minute to 5-minute. Sometimes I look at the 15, but I don't really trade it.
Hey, you know what you don't have on your stream?
Well, I don't have.
You don't mention that people should type in ! giveaway game or anything. When they come on the stream, there's nothing letting them know what's going on. It's a whiteout. Got to put that into your Streamlabs or something, or your Nightbot. I just realized.
Oh, you got it on Nightbot?
I do it on, the stream Nightbot. That's it. Yeah, thought it was Streambot. Type ! giveaway to register for today's qualifiers. Here, it's well phrased. I'll give you a copy and I'll put it in Discord. Change it if you want.
Why don't you go ahead and say all that now?
Type ! giveaway game to register for today's qualifiers. Winner will be in Friday's 50K account giveaway. We got 6 or 7 players. We need 8 to play. And the good news is we try to run 3 qualifiers in a day for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, which will make 12 finalists for Friday. And on Friday, we have the giveaway for the account. So you can enter multiple times in a day. Even if you don't win the qualifier today, you can re-enter. And if we can run it again, we'll run it again. Where's the Discord? I'll put you the message the way I have it phrased. And
Layla says if they delete all their live tabs, the tab don't show.
yeah, so
I think he deletes all his lives.
yeah, it's possible. He can also have it set as unlisted, the way I was doing there for a while, right away.
Yeah.
There's a switch set to unlisted as soon as the stream ends. So yeah, it could be that.
A lot
Yeah,
of
the
people
name of the
want them to
channel is
just push out videos so they either delete it or unlist all the lives.
the name of the channel is Max Options Trading. What do we got? Today we have 3 votes. Should the same person be allowed to win multiple entries in Friday's giveaway game? We got 3 votes for yes. Laylit at giveaway. Okay. I think we should play already. What do you think? Even with 7 players. Do we have 7 players? I don't even know. Let me take a look. Open it up. We have, Futures and Omnius. That's already cheating, but we can't win. Skeletor, Joker, Adnan, Laylit. We need 2 more. Still need 2 more. Nice run. What time is it? 11:30.
Already? My goodness. They're pushing up, huh?
Mm.
Layla, what prop firm you trading with? I know some of the props now they're getting to where me and Mike was talking about yesterday. Your trades have to be longer than 15 seconds. Wasn't able to trade today. A user with problems in the office.
Hmm.
Skeletor, you might have missed a good day. I mean, might have been a good day to miss, however you say it. Market's been crazy, man. Get into a trade, it goes 40 points against you immediately. Yeah, the opening candle I took with the bot trade and I won, lost, break even all together at the same time. I was like, I don't even know how to explain it. I know looking back at the chart, it looks like it was probably an easy day, but man, these candles were brutal. Give me an account, bro. Ask Mike. He might. Mike, you there? What kind of account you want? Is that Ahmad? I think I got that right. Ahmad. Ask Mike. Give him a second when he comes back. Maybe he will. I'm at what kind of account you want? Did ask. Use 50K static day traders. Yeah, I think day traders is one of the better ones out there right now. Plus, if you can get the 50K static, if you're not out there trying to blow it, I mean, you can get the 50K static, just trade a few micros, be able to be in the market, and then you don't have to pay monthly. I think that's a great opportunity. Look back at the open, 30-second chart. Candles are 40 points. Yeah, man, it was so brutal. Right from the opening candle, I was like, no way, I'm out. Blew 2 already, now on my 3rd. Yeah. I will say day traders is a little bit more expensive if you're blowing accounts. If you're blowing accounts like that, I would maybe go with Bullinox or what's this other one? I always forget their name. Give me a second. Taurus Arena. Taurus Arena just had a deal where like you buy 3 accounts and they're like $11 a piece. I don't think they have it anymore though. Like we were trying to tell everybody, like really $11 an account, like can't afford not to take that. I don't think they have it right now. No, they don't have it anymore. I was thinking maybe they'd bring it back. So you can get an account for $25. I don't know, it's not really that good, I guess. I would look for Bullinox or Apex. Whenever they have the sales. Bullinox is 85. Could be a little bit better. Hopefully they'll have some good accounts for Black Friday. Apex 80%. Oh yeah, Skeletor. Thanks for bringing that up. That's probably one of the better deals right there right now. 80% off and you pass. PA is only $40. Yeah, you can't beat that. I think that's probably one of the better deals right now. And the all-in mindset though. I think like this is my chance, and there goes my 25% capital. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of think over the years my mindset kind of shifted to I'm just tired of losing. So I think when you change the mindset to this is my account, if I take this trade and I just lose, am I going to be okay with that? I don't mean that in a losing minds. I don't go into the day thinking of losing. I always think of winning. But the question is, like today, first opening candles all over the place. Market was crazy. It's like, well, if I keep trading this, am I going to be okay with that? Like I see a lot of setups. My personal setup, I don't mind losing. And when I'm trading my personal setup on a normal day, I don't mind it. I can lose 2, 3, 4 trades in a row and not even care. Tourists don't have that sale. Tried Saturday, they don't have it. Yeah. They might bring it back though. The funny part is they didn't even advertise that sale. They just kind of just sent out an email to people, to affiliates, and didn't really tell anybody else. It's kind of like a hidden sale. So we'll see if they send out another email. I think Mike talked to them and they said that they were fixing to do something else. So see what else they can do. If it really was my money, I would be serious. My thing is, I don't mind the $40 a month. Yeah. I started off with my own personal money, so the prop firms weren't that big back then. They had some, but they were still really expensive. They had a lot of rules. Didn't really make sense. But now, I mean, what an amazing time to be a trader. $40 a month, and for the price of a Netflix subscription, you can go out there and get you chart and everything, be set up trading futures. What an amazing time to be a trader. Problem is, it gets us into these mindsets of gambling, but it is whatever you make it, right? You can take it and buy you 2 accounts. Use one to gamble and the other one to be serious, and say, look, this is my serious account, and I'm only going to take A+ setups in this account, and mark down what your trading strategy is going to be for that account. And you might be surprised how much better, how many less trades you take, and how much better that account will do. And then you still got your other account to play around with. I also like to have different accounts set up for different ways of trading. So if one's having a bad day, hopefully the other one's having a good day. And of course, most people know I also run a bot. So I run the bots, I do the manual trades. That way, not everything's in one basket. Gotcha, you gotta limit my trades 5 a day. Focus on the proper setup. Yeah, like I said, get you 2 evals. Have one, and like put it down on a notepad or something. Have a little notepad with you. I got one here. Just, write down what kind of trading you want to do with that account, and put on there. So look, this is my serious account. What can I do if I only took serious A+ trades? And then write down what that setup would be. And it can even be the same trade every day. Like maybe you're doing the opening trade. Okay, I'm going to do the opening trade 5 points every day on that account. Or maybe you're going to do the 15-minute open range retest. So okay, I'm going to do a 15-minute open range retest, 5 points every day. Or whatever trade you like, whatever you think the best trade that you got, just put it on that one account. And then right after you're done taking that trade, switch to the other one.
Okay, you want to run the game? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 real entries, and
that guy wanted you to give him an account. I told him to ask you.
Explain.
What was the guy's name?
Lilith?
No, Ahmed. So give me an account, bro.
Give me an account, bro. Hey, wasn't that the guy from last time?
No, it wasn't.
Remember? Give him the $50.
I don't know. I can't remember. My memory's terrible.
I don't remember either, but give me an account doesn't qualify. There's got to be at least an exclamation mark in there.
I tried to tell him that.
If that's to be in the game.
I told him that you were fixing to do a game. I told him to ask you for
yeah.
Told him to ask you for an account.
No, what do you mean ask me for an account? What does that mean ask me for an account?
He said, give me an account, bro. I said, Mike will be back in a minute. Ask him. Maybe he'll give you an account. I don't know.
I'm not giving away accounts. I mean, I'm giving the game is giving away accounts, but you got to win. You got to qualify, then you got to win. There's the process. We're not just handing out. We're not just standing on the corner handing out accounts.
Great when people just show up and they're like, "Give me an account, bro."
Yeah. Okay. Ahmed, if you're still there.
Did you even like the stream? Maybe I'd have gave you an account if you liked the stream. Probably not, but it's funny.
Ahmed, you have a little bit of a chance here. A few moments. Type in ! giveaway game in Omnius chat. We'll enter you in the qualifiers so that you don't misunderstand. Today is the qualifiers. The winners of the qualifiers are in Friday's final. And on Friday, the winner wins the account.
I traded for 2 hours max at the beginning, 300 up, and then at the end, minus 2,200. That was yesterday.
Give me 50 bucks.
Give me 50 bucks, man.
Yeah, I'm giving out accounts, but it's Omnius is handing out the $50 bills.
Why did everybody come to my channel talking about give me stuff?
Because you look generous. You got that sweet face of generosity.
You sure?
Pretty sure.
Sponsor my life. Fix it. 10,000 bucks a month. I quit my job. I mean, if people are saying like, give me 50 bucks or give me 10,000 a month, y'all know there's people like Bill Gates out there, right? And who's some of the other ones? Bill Gates. Who's the guy from Amazon? Jeff Bezos. Yeah, like if I was gonna ask somebody for like $1,000, I'd go ask one of them guys. They make more than that when they're on the toilet going poop. Like, yeah, I just took a shit. I just made like 10 grand, but did while I was shitting. Could you imagine that life?
Mm-hmm.
To make tens of thousands of dollars a minute. You ain't even got to do nothing. Bill Gates could literally make every one of us rich, and he wouldn't even notice the money gone from his account. You know, I dumped like 300 bucks in random crypto after Bitcoin blew up. It's all right. Wait for it to go back down and do it again. Repeat process. I guess Ahmad didn't show back up to play the game, huh?
I'll be with you in a second.
I tried to tell him.
Save. Okay. Let's go back down to none. And what do we need to do? Step 1, we need to open the game. Step 2, we got to see who the players
Andres,
are.
sales coming. You mean sales in prop firms or sell in the market? We're going down.
Andres, we're just getting ready to run the giveaway game. Type in ! giveaway game. Just to let you know, it's a qualifier. The winner today gets put in the finals on Friday. We're trying to run 3 every day so that we can have 12 for Friday's finals, but didn't work out. So that's good news for you winners, because you winners, that means there's going to be less in the final where we give away the 50K account. So type in ! giveaway game. Just understand today's the qualifier for Friday's final. We'll be doing this for quite a while, a couple of months now. Keeps the stream interesting, have a game going.
Trying to give away some accounts.
So yeah, someone gets to walk away with an account every week.
The guy wanted an account. All he had to do was type it in and get a chance.
That didn't work.
Elon could lend me 10 million. He wouldn't even notice. That's what I'm saying. People like Elon Musk, they give all of us 10 million. They wouldn't even notice it gone from their account. Could you imagine having that much money? You wouldn't even notice it gone. So if Elon Musk lent the 3 of us $10 million, $30 million, right? It would be like me giving all of us like a nickel. That's how much money that guy has. That's crazy.
It is.
Retire in Dubai. Yeah, I'd like to find like a different place to go retire. US is just too expensive. A lot of these islands and stuff, they say you can go live on like super cheap. I see some of the videos people make. They're like, look at this apartment and stuff I got, staring out at the ocean, beautiful cities and stuff, and for almost nothing.
Are we playing or what?
You want to play? Let's play.
Let's play. Let's take my eyes away from the screen.
All right, hold on. Let me bring it up. Bringing up your stream. That's what I mean.
Okay, we don't have a lot of players. We're supposed to have 8. But that just makes it better for you guys. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 registered players. Well, we got 6, but me and Omnius can't really qualify. So, how does that work? If me or Omnius, we act as market makers, we just bounce you guys away from the winner's pit. But if we do happen to fall in, we just run the game again until either Skeletor, Joker, Adnan, or Lalith falls in the pit. Whoever falls in the pit qualifies for Friday's final, where we give away the account. We all clear?
Did you mention that this is a qualifier?
I don't know. I think so. I think I mentioned it multiple times. Save and apply.
Okay.
Were you being sarcastic?
No, I mean, somebody still say, oh, I didn't know it was a qualifier.
Oh, no, Omnius didn't qualify. That was just the practice run. That was a warm-up. Omnius can't. Omnius and Mike can't qualify. We're the hosts.
Like rigged. They won't even let me win. I can't even win a rigged game.
We act as market makers. Think of it as that. we try to knock you into the stop-out pit and keep you out of the winner's pit. That's our job. Okay, let's go. Fire. Oh, sorry. Cancel. Hold on. We're going to replay it.
Cancel all orders.
Cancel all orders. We're running way too slow. We don't want to do that. We don't want it to run. Apply settings. There we go. Sorry about that. There we go. I don't think that changed anybody's fate. Adnan, you had your chance. No, was it Adnan? No, it wasn't Adnan. It was Ahmed. Ahmed, you had your chance.
Ahmed, you there?
No, not Andres Gomez and Ahmed. You both had your chance to type in ! giveaway game, but you didn't make it.
No.
Okay, what do we got going here? We got 1 hole in the resistance wall.
Did you tell Andre?
I did. Resistance, support, any way you want to call it. Got to crack through it and get through it. Get off onto the right side of the board where the winner's pit is.
Mike, you got my daughter scared to be stopped out now. She's like, I better not get stopped out. I better not get stopped out.
Okay. Oh, Joker's made it onto the right side. So did Lalith, but you both got knocked back over. Joker gets a hit from Skeletor and gets put in a really good location to fall into the pit. Adnan stopped out. Joker trying to bounce. Skeletor's on the right side. Lalith's making an attempt, but hit Joker on the head. Omnius is floating around the top trying to cause trouble, but I think he's wearing blinders, doesn't see where anybody is, neither does Futures. Joker bounces, not Joker, Omnius bounces off. Joker's going, oh, I thought Joker was going in the pit. Omnius will bounce off the wall again. Omnius, okay, Omnius acted as market maker. Market maker wins this round.
Andres, thanks for subscribing. Mike, if Andres types it in now, can
sure, absolutely. Anybody type in?
Andres, type in ! game. Or giveaway game.
Giveaway game, exclamation mark, anybody. Let's go. We got a few seconds. We're going to run it again because Omnius can't. Yeah, Omnius, yeah, pretty much.
Going inside trading. I might have been hanging out with that one congresswoman.
That works. Andres, let's get Andres up and running. Add a player. There was no qualifier on that round. Omnius can't qualify. He can qualify in the evening because I stream alone, but he can't qualify in the morning. Save and apply. Okay, we got another player going. And we have Ahmed, but no lurkers in my stream. 5, 4. Actually, I should count down from 8, because I think there's like an 8-second delay. But I've been blabbing for 8 seconds, so that's good enough.
Run it.
Oh, run it. Maybe we'll run it twice. What do you think, Omnius? We'll run it twice. We'll get 2 qualifiers. It's 11:50 already. Lalith flirted with the stop out again. Futures. Omnius going near the stop out. Ooh, he bounces off both balls. Adnan gonna maybe clear out a brick or 2 on the resistance. Andres knocks out a little bit of the resistance. Adnan, first one to break out. Get near take profit.
Oh, looking good.
Joker, Omnius, Skeletor. Omnius is lurking again. Omnius is a strong trader. Skeletor. Skeletor will qualify, I have a feeling. If not today. Adnan. Oh, he knocks another market maker into the pit. Okay.
Oh. Anybody else want to sign up? Type in exclamation mark game or giveaway.
We don't have a qualifier yet.
Give it what? 5 seconds? 10 seconds?
10 seconds. In the meantime, I'll just see what's happening here. Take a look at the 30-second chart. You guys don't see it anymore. The market is rigged. Everything is rigged. Yeah, market makers always
rigged.
Okay, let's go again. We need a qualifier. We need 2 qualifiers. Omnius, I said we give 2 qualifiers back to back. What do you say? I say
That's
yes.
what you want to do. If you're in the mood to
well,
play,
it has to be a majority.
Okay, do it.
It has to be a super majority.
That means we need one more person, right?
Yeah, me and you.
Ask,
yeah. No,
ask
super majority. That's me and you. I voted yes. Super majority is 100%. That's you.
I thought we needed 110 for a super majority. So you'd have to ask the other people also. You have to ask Layla and Andres and
Skeletor.
Ahmed. Skeletor.
Why not? You guys think it's a good idea? Futures is floating around for a win again. So you guys,
I won and you won.
You gotta knock us into the stop out pit. That leaves you guys floating around.
How do we both win?
Yeah, I won 1, you won 1. Lilith looks good there. Coming. Oh, so close. So close, Lilith. Lilith floating around. But so is Futures, Andres. Stopped out Futures. That's good. That's good.
I got one of them.
Yeah, you knocked that one guy. I think it's going to be Andres. I'm calling it for Andres. I may be wrong, but the way he's floating around there, I think he's going to get it. You never know. Somebody...
I don't know. You got Layla right there.
Somebody can always sneak in. Someone's going to bump into somebody and knock them in. It's usually how it happens. It's a deflection.
We're down to 4.
Down to 4, yep. Boom. There we go. Adnan.
Oh, sweet. Good job.
Adnan, let me write that in. Adnan, I have good news for you because we've been running a poll. Should the same person be allowed to win multiple qualifying entries into Friday's giveaway game? And today is 100% yes. And it's been running at a yes majority. So we're going to run it again. And Adnan, you could win another ball. You could have 2 balls on Friday's giveaway. Let me just record it here so I don't forget. Day 2. File.
I was going to make a joke about the 2 balls, but I decided not to.
Yeah, what were you going to say? Adnan already has 2 balls. He doesn't need another one.
I don't know. I mean, who knows what could happen, right? I have 3.
Okay. Last round. Fire. This is the bonus round because it's 12 o'clock.
Do you want to give anybody else a chance to jump in?
Sure. Anybody's hanging around? Anybody's
Exclamation
lurking?
Mark giveaway game or giveaway or game or?
Oh, at this point of the day, anything. Just type anything.
So everybody that was in the last one, they're still
just type
in for this
anything
one,
to
right?
enter the game.
So anybody that hasn't already?
We'll give it a few seconds. We'll give it 30 seconds.
Laylis has multiple balls. That's good to know, I guess.
I got multiple balls. Football, basketball. Layla, the guy with a sense of humor. I love it. Guys, hurry up. Exclamation mark, really pretty much anything.
All right.
We're running one more round. Well, I got a couple of more. Anybody? We'll count down slowly in my head.
Once. Go.
Let me take
Twice.
one. Yeah. Sold. Let's go.
Sold. Ahmed, you there? You come to the channel. You talk about giving you something. All you have to do is type in.
Balls are gone. Balls have been released.
Some people. You can't even try to give them free stuff.
Yeah, isn't that funny when how the world works out sometimes? I want Skeletor too. I'm sorry, I don't want to pick favorites, but Skeletors do. Omnius, Layla tries to. Layla, you're always hanging around the stop out pit, eh? Skeletor's in a good location to float into it. Laylith. Try again tomorrow, Laylith. Joker's heading towards the wall of the pit. 8. We got people in the room. Guys, type in giveaway game. Who knows? Maybe we'll run the 3rd one also. Skeletor makes it! There we go, buddy. Skeletor.
There you go. I mean, it's rigged. Oh, man.
So far, today's qualifiers are
good job, Skeletor. Good job, Edmund. Skeletor's like, oh yeah, chocolate soft balls.
Yeah, come on. There's 8 people in the room. Let's run more. Come on, guys. Is this a warming ball game? Yeah, the final, the giveaway is on Friday. This is the qualifiers, but we're running the poll, and should the same person be allowed to win multiple balls, multiple entries into the Friday's final giveaway game? And the vote is always yes. So we run the same players. We're running the same players. Guys, let's go. Type in giveaway game. Yeah, I'll give it till 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, we'll run the 3rd tour. Buy design exit with a profit. We'll hang around till 12. At 12 o'clock, I'll run it one more time, and then I think we'll call it quits for the day.
You know, Skeletor bribed us all. Hey, however, you got to win, right?
I promised him an entry. I would have ran it until he won. Skeletor's an OG.
You got to have a good strategy. If that's your strategy, and that wins. Oh, you didn't play the sponsored by Skeletor thing. What happened to that?
Yeah,
I missed that.
Have it?
Yeah, play that real quick.
You guys are in the right place at the right time because this week's
Missed
live
it.
stream and Prop Drop 500 beta is proudly sponsored by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's chocolate salty balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
You know where that needs to go? That needs to go on top of the game.
Balls are kind of weird with that description.
Yeah, next time you think of going to buy, what are those chocolate balls that are so good? I'm getting Duluth, but it's not Duluth. Lindt. The chocolate balls. Okay, is it 12? It's 12. Let's get the game back up again. There we go. Nobody. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, wait. No, that was Nightbot. We had a false alarm. Roll me in the game. You're rolled in. Okay, Lilith, let's have some fun. Lilith gets an extra ball. How about that? Of course, we need a super majority. That would be 100%. It's a little bit of favoritism, but that's okay. Nobody's here to see it. Omnius, you agree? Thumbs up with that. How's Omnius going to say no to that, right?
Andres, which broker are you using? Is Andres in the game? Yeah.
He's in. Okay, Andres, you're still there. Andres and Lilith get an extra ball each.
Skeletor says, yeah, give Lilith a ball.
And let's call him Lilith too. And Andres too. Andres is sticking around.
You gotta like Skeletor. He's just a great guy.
Yeah. Add player. Andres too. Andres, you have 2 chances here in this one, in this qualifier. Andres 2. You got Andres and Andres 2. Lilith 2. Adnan, Joker, Skeletor. Save and apply. We got 9 players.
All right. Which broker are you using? Andres, typically Bullinox or daytraders.com or Apex or Taurus Arena.
Stopped out, Joker. Stopped out. I didn't even see it. It was too quick.
Oh, man, everybody gets stopped out.
I think that was Lilith 2. I'm looking at the board. I don't see Lilith 2 anymore. Adnan, gone. Thank God you guys got 2 balls, huh? Oh,
the game got eliminated.
Hmm? Boom. Skeletor's going to move his way onto the right side of the board. First one. Oh, he looks like he's going to... Oh, I thought he was going to float right in. I don't know. He might get a really good bounce off a peg. No, wrong way. Okay. We got Lilith and Skeletor fighting it out on the right side of the board. Oh, Lilith almost got a good deflection. Maybe that was Skeletor's strategy. Omnius is gone. Skeletor knocked him out of the way. Lilith's floating around again.
It's rigged.
Lilith and Skeletor battling it out on the right side of the board. Skeletor wins a second entry.
Oh, wow. Good job.
Skeletor's dominating today. Okay, so we have for Friday's final so far, Smooth Operator, Twin Trades, Alex M, Adnan, Skeletor, and Skeletor. There are 6 registered players for Friday's final so far. And we will see on, what's today? Today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll get another 6 players for our final 12 ball count for Friday's giveaway. Congratulations, Skeletor. And of course, Adnan.
Yeah, bribed.
Save.
Guys, be sure to like the streams so that we can continue to do things, do giveaways.
Wait. I want to do something. You give me
wanna do
permission?
something?
You give me permission?
Go for it.
A one-ball game.
A one-ball game.
A one-ball game.
Okay,
Oh, sorry.
but it counts.
No. Hold on. How do I stop it?
That means it counts, right?
Yeah. Why did that not work? Oh, you know what? I don't think I'm allowed to do a one-ball game. Let me try it again. Give me a second here. I gotta delete the players. Copy Lalith. Let's give Lalith a chance here. Add player. Save and apply. One player loaded. Lalith, are you there?
You gotta put in at least one ball competition. So how about an S?
What? No. What do you mean? Say it. I don't understand.
I feel like there's got to be at least one ball competition.
You mean like a market maker?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how about Adnan? No, not Adnan. Who didn't win? Andres.
Just do the S.
Yes. Okay. Andres, tomorrow we'll give you the one ball chance. Add a player.
Or do the one ball. Whatever. It don't matter. Whatever you think.
I'm in the mood for one ball.
All right. Do one ball.
I'm in the mood for one ball.
All right. One ball.
And we're going to pick up the speed. So save and apply. Let me just change the speed.
Make it a chocolate salty ball, though.
I don't think I can change the color. Time scale. Okay, we're going to get it going a little bit faster because one ball can get a little slow.
You got Adnan. Oh, no. You had Adnan in there, right?
Adnan won already today.
Okay.
So
Adam, good morning. Adam says, what's up?
Oh boy, we're getting more games. I think it's a little late. It's after 12.
Yeah,
I don't want to make a ruling here, but I just want to have I want to have a little
Adam,
fun
if you want to join the game tomorrow, show up tomorrow for the giveaway game. A bit late on it now.
I want to give Lalith was hanging around, stop up way too much. I want to give him I want to give him a chance all on his own. I want to clear the field and see if he can make it.
How's your day so far? All green. Adam, you all green today? I had some weird stuff going on right out the gate this morning, so I was like, no, I'm out.
Oh, I didn't even realize. Lalith, you're not going to make it. You're not going to break through the resistance. It's going to require way too many taps.
Green here, yeah. Got the loss of yesterday back to the point. Great.
We'll just
hear those losses being made up.
We'll let it play in the background. You're going to be floating around for a really long time.
Plus, Adam, it was kind of a crazy day in the market. I mean, so he did good today. Great job. Some of those candles were 40 to 60 point candles.
This is like trading in a really strong consolidation.
Adam, I don't know if you've seen the game earlier, but we did have, what was it, 12 people playing, Mike? Or 8, 9?
9 today, yeah.
Can't see your charts. Or are you just playing the game for now? Adam, yeah, basically for now. We're about to get off here. It's already after 12. I'm just trying to play a giveaway game. Give people a chance to win an account.
Yeah, having a little fun with Layla.
Qualifier for an account. I'm going to give away some accounts Friday. Want to do some qualifiers. Always look at the chart. What's that?
Me?
I don't know what you said.
Oh, I just said, hey, he's surviving, Layla. Isn't this doesn't look good. Oh no, okay, you floated away.
Count me in. Yeah, Adam, stop by tomorrow. Hang out. The rest of the week we're gonna be playing a giveaway game like this. Mike, you want to do it a few times throughout the day, right?
3. Let's get at least 3 qualifiers. Today we're gonna get an extra one if Lalith can make it on his own here. He's trying. Yeah, he's broken through the resistance at the top there. He's just got to float over and the wall will protect him. Sorry, Lilith.
Oh,
sorry. You made a beeline for that stop. That was a dump. The market gets dumped. You got stopped.
That was that 60-point candle right there.
Yeah, and you see what happens here when you get stopped out? It says the jackpot. Everyone wins the account. I have to change that message. I have to change that too. Sorry, try again. I gotta remember that.
Mike, are you going to be on this evening?
Yes, I am. I will try for 6:45. And
Guys, Mike should be trading this evening, 6:45. Everybody wants to go hang out with him and trade the evening session with him.
Yeah, and I'll be running three more qualifiers this evening for Thursday night's draw. Actually,
Layla's my gambler faith is right there.
Guys, let's give it up for our lucky winner of today's Prop Drop 500 beta. And to the rest of you sore losers, better luck next drop. Today's chaos was proudly brought to you by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls.fun, the only snack that pairs perfectly with blown accounts and broken dreams. And remember, tomorrow's madness starts sometime after 10:30 a.m. Don't miss it.
One guy that wants free stuff but won't type into the chat to play the game. Adam, see you later, man. Mike, we done or what?
Yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna call it quits and go have lunch. Do a little
Absolutely,
bit of work.
Adam. Make sure everyone has a great day, guys. If y'all are green, might be time to walk away, get some lunch. If you're red, don't go on tilt.
Congratulations,
Skeletor. Appreciate you as always.
Layla, you didn't win, but did you have a good time? That's what matters.
Try to have a good time. Try to make things interesting.
You know what the coaches always say to the players when they lose? Did you have a good time? At least you had a good time. You see, you got to look at the silver lining.
Take a leave too, man. It was kind of fun. Kind of fun. That's all you get.
Kind of fun.
Oh, man. It was kind of fun.
Okay, guys.
Appreciate you guys.
I'll see you this evening, guys. And Omnius, I'll see you tomorrow morning.
All right. See you tomorrow. Later, guys. Appreciate y'all. Have a good rest of your day. Skeletor. Come on, man.
Come on, man.